The next set of analysis we can do, that is the audience analysis. Okay, audience analysis is nothing but here audience. These are the audience we have been selected when you are creating a ad groups. Okay, when you are creating a ad groups, we have been selected. These are the audience. For example, these audience analysis here, we have been checked that okay, which type of the audience are a better in terms of your ad. For which type of, is it a beauty or sports audience looking your has been clicked your more, who has been clicked more of the most of your ads. Okay, is it a sports audience or those who are like beauty and personal care, their interests are beauty and personal care, they are clicked more, or a sports and fitness persons are clicking more of your ads, and if they are clicking, what is the cost for that one. Okay, we have to check that one. By that we will come to know that for the next time, or we can say that if it is costing more, then we can say we can pause that particular audience. In the sense, your ad will not be shown to that particular set of audience. This set of audience will not be shown your ad. If you enable, then only it will be shown your ads to this set of the audience. So audience analysis will help you to check which type of the audience I need to target. Okay, I need to target in a coming days. Okay, this is about a audience analysis. And exclusions also, audience exclusions also you can add. In the sense, you don't want to show your ad to this set of the audience, select here audience exclusion. Okay, you can select the campaign, which campaign, and you can select the which type of the audience you would like to exclude. Okay, we can say here, okay, one who is looking for the food, okay, education, finance. Okay, these audience I don't want to show my ad, then I will select in the exclusion and save, so that these are the audience will not be shown your ad. If you like to delete anytime, you can select and you can delete. Okay, you can select and you can delete. Okay, this is the way we can add the audience. We can, in the sense, in a audience management, okay, we can exclude, or we can check the which type of the audience need to be added in further. You can edit also here. Okay, which type of the audience you like to add up, one more type of the audience also you can add. Select the campaign, for example traffic, in that for a bicycle search. Okay, here it is not there, we haven't used any audience for the bicycle search. Okay, we can, if you have been added that particular audience, then it would have been shown. Okay, like this we can add some of the audience. We can also change the audience, and we can manage the audience. Okay, we can understand the audience by using a audience management here.